In today's video, I am going to teach you how to fix chart not loading in Tradingview app. If your chart is blank, stuck on a loading spinner or not moving, don't worry, we'll walk through a simple sequence that solves the most common causes. Without overcomplicating things, start on Android by clearing the app's cache and data. This removes corrupted temporary files that often block charts from rendering. Open your device settings. Go to Apps, find Tradingview, then Storage. Tap Clear Cache first. If the issue persists, tap Clear Data as well. Keep in mind this resets the app's stored preferences and will sign you out. But it won't affect your account or watch lists saved to the cloud. After that, reopen the app. Next, make sure everything that powers chart display is fully updated. Open the Play Store and update the Tradingview app to the latest version. While you are there, search for Android System WebView and Google Chrome and update both. Tradingview relies on WebView and Chrome to render content behind the scenes, so outdated components can cause blank or frozen charts. If you still see issues, completely restart the app. Use Force Stop from the App Info page or swipe it away from your recent apps and relaunch it. A clean restart clears stuck processes and reloads chart data fresh. On desktop, here is a quick fix built right into the chart. Right-click anywhere on the chart and choose Clear Chart Cache. This clears locally stored chart files and forces a reload of your layout and data. It's safe, fast, and often immediately brings the chart back to life. Now verify your connection and time interval. Charts need a stable internet link to fetch candles and ticks. If you are on Wi-Fi, try moving closer to the router or switch briefly to mobile data to rule out a weak signal. If the chart looks frozen or isn't updating, switch to a lower time frame like dropping from a higher interval to a shorter one to trigger a fresh data request and confirm the feed is alive. Finally, log out of your Tradingview account and sign back in. This refreshes your session, revalidates permissions and resyncs your layouts and data with the server. After logging back in, open the same symbol and timeframe to confirm everything loads correctly. Work through these steps in order, and you should see your charts render smoothly again. If you've updated, cleared caches, checked your network, and refreshed your session, you are covered for the most common causes of charts not loading.